Hey, what is going on, everybody? Aaron here from Break the Internet, and welcome back to another video today on the channel. I know it's been some time, but guys, we have some crazy news for you today. First things first, if you're not already following me on Instagram, you can go ahead and do so by clicking the first link in the description, or my username at AaronFPS is right there if you want to add me over there. I'll make sure to post updates on everything about Instagram, Instagram TV, little tutorials, how-tos to make sure that you know everything about Instagram. I'm sure you guys have seen it all over your social media feeds. Instagram today has officially announced Instagram TV, otherwise known as IGTV. Essentially what this is, it's kind of like that one time, you know, when Instagram saw Snapchat, they had stories and then Instagram didn't have stories, but then they added stories and then kind of blew them out of the water. Well, they decided that they wanted to now allow you to not only upload longer videos, but you can upload videos up to 60 minutes in length. That's crazy. Personally, I wouldn't go straight to the assumption that they're trying to take over YouTube and basically copy them for longer videos, but during the press conference, they were kind of saying that YouTube was doing everything wrong. They were like old media, I think is what they said. And this is gonna open up so many doors for creators that want to make longer videos, be that travel vlogs, make that like a daily vlog, whatever they wanted to upload on there that has always wanted to be more than a minute. Let's say you wanted to consume someone's content that wasn't 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and even up to that minute mark. You can now do that. Now you may be asking yourself, how do I get to the IGTV app? How do I get to Instagram TV? Well, if you go to the top right of your regular Instagram app, it might not be out for you just yet because I'm still waiting for the update, but within the actual Instagram app, you can click at the top right and look through kind of a general idea of what IGTV is. But they're also making a standalone IGTV app so you don't get cluttered with all that stuff within your Instagram feed. A lot of people use Instagram for these short form videos and they don't want to sit there and watch a 10-minute video, so they're gonna keep the pictures, they're gonna keep the videos within Instagram, but if you wanna watch the longer form videos from creators that you follow or the really big creators, then you can go over to the IGTV app and consume them there. But what differentiates IGTV, Instagram TV, to what we already know as YouTube or these other websites that we use to consume these longer form videos? Well, in their press release, they were making a big deal about how they wanted to make it exactly like TV. When you open up IGTV, it's gonna bring you right into somebody's content instead of having to go through and search for something that you want, and then once you search for that, you have to go through all these other results then to find the video that you want to. They just want to make it easier for you. When you open up IGTV, it's gonna bring up a piece of content that is going to be for you, which is the tab is called. This is gonna give you something that Instagram, based on the algorithms, people that you're watching and things that you're searching, gives you something that it thinks that you're gonna wanna watch. Then you have other tabs like following, so you can swipe through the different people that you're following that are uploading on IGTV. Also popular, that shows you the popular ones, kind of like the explore page within Instagram, and then a tab for continuing watching. So let's say you were watching through like a 10-minute video, you only got through 3 minutes, it's gonna kind of put a little point within where you stopped so that you can come back and watch whenever you want. Like Instagram said, they wanna make it easier for you to consume content and also so you don't have to always search for everything. Now, why I think this is really cool is because this gives us kind of the first place to house our long form vertical videos. We have Snapchat, which was originally made for 10-second snaps, which now you can upload to up to 60-second snaps. Then when Instagram came up with stories, they also did the vertical content, but it was only able to go up to 15 seconds. And of course, YouTube has tried to integrate that within their app. Specific videos that you upload for vertical format, you can then have open on your phone and watch it in vertical. But as far as like a specific place to put this vertical content, Instagram TV is kind of the first. Now, I don't know about you guys, but personally, in my phone settings, I have orientation lock set on. So whenever I move my phone like this, it makes it so it doesn't turn sideways. So whenever I watch a YouTube video and I want to turn it sideways, I gotta go into the settings, turn that off, turn it sideways, make YouTube full screen. This is really sounding like some first world problems right now, but you get my point. Now, no, this isn't something that is going to compete directly with Netflix and Hulu or any of the websites like that, but it's gonna give an opportunity for smaller creators that are really kind of excelling in editing those long form vertical videos. It's gonna bring a lot of really awesome content to the table, and just can't wait to see what happens. And this leads us to the final part of today's video, that is the monetization. With YouTube, there's specific ways that you can make money by getting a specific amount of views on your YouTube videos. They're bringing the exact same thing into Instagram for people that have large followings, that get a lot of views on each of their Instagram TV posts. They're now going to get paid for those, and obviously it's gonna work a lot like YouTube. You don't really get paid a crazy amount of money unless you're getting a crazy amount of views. So I think it'll be interesting to see some of these smaller creators kind of bust out of nowhere, make this really awesome vertical content, and actually make a living off of the monetized views through Instagram TV. With that being said, guys, this video is coming to a close, but I wanted to say a couple of things here. Make sure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel, Break the Internet, to stay up to date with all the videos that we're gonna be uploading on this channel, because this is kind of just talking about what Instagram is saying about it. Once the app actually gets launched out to everybody and everyone has access to it, I wanna make tutorial videos. And I mean, with the fact that we're now editing in, vertical, we're gonna have some videos and tutorials on exactly how to do that, to switch from the 16:9 aspect ratio to the 9:16 aspect ratio, which if that doesn't make sense to you, then you're not gonna be able to upload vertical videos on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn notifications on to get notified every single time we upload a video on this channel. Anyway, guys, my name is Aaron from Break the Internet, your #1 stop shop for Instagram tips, tricks, updates, and everything you need to know about Instagram, Instagram TV, and social media. Of course, guys, my name is Aaron from Break the Internet, and of course, I will see you next time.